Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Yell. Yell means shout in loud, sharp way. For example, you heard me yelling at her. You heard me yelling at her. Synonyms: cry out, call at the top of one's voice.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Suddenly, he heard his friend yell and the team swerved left. Now, repeat after me. Suddenly, he heard his friend yell and the team swerved left. The second exemplar. All over, everyone was yelling and shouting and jumping up and down like maniacs. Now, repeat after me. All over, everyone was yelling and shouting and jumping up and down like maniacs. The third exemplar. You're in the middle of the field, and they're screaming and yelling and all excited. Now, repeat after me. You're in the middle of the field, and they're screaming and yelling and all excited.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word set has the highest number of definitions in the dictionary. It clocks in at a whopping 464. Can you believe that?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.